And we need to reach this goal before the end of the day tomorrow, everybody.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's our next show. We're doing pretty good. We're almost halfway. So if you could help us out, I don't know. How about the leg drop, Billy? Leg drop. Come on. Do it for the people. How about if we reach...
I got an idea.
How about if we reach the whole goal tonight, you'll let me give you a leg drop off of the couch?
And I also got an idea. Me and Billy will do a belly bump at VidCon.
Yeah, but that can't be delivered. Yeah, well, that's cool and all, but that can't be delivered tonight. Tonight, Billy. Leg drop off the couch.
We're not going to reach the whole goal, so yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
So your contention is you will let me leg drop you off of the couch as long as if before the end of the show tonight.
We're not going to reach the whole goal, so yeah, it's fine.
Oh, now you fucked up.
You've gotten along very well. We both have the same objective, which is what we're working on. So he's like my partner. And
oh,
dude, big one right there.
I will play Pinwheel while I drop the big leg on this motherfucker. But thanks for getting us that. You're looking pretty nervous now, young Bill Fridge. You're looking pretty nervous as fuck now, young Bill Fridge. Oh, dude, there's gonna be such a good camera.
Why are you calling him young, Bill? He's old.
Fuck you, Pimp Monk.
I'm doing this new project down here on that homeless community thing they doing.
Okay.
I'm building.
Check out my auto-tune Oscar Premium.
Oh my god!
The timer ran out during this video. Like it's past time.
No,
dude.
it didn't. It's still going, dude.
Nope. When it comes crashing down and it
It's been
hurts
going the whole
inside.
time. Yeah, dude. I don't know what to tell you except for
I am a real American. Fight for the rights of every man. I am a real American. Fight for what's right. Fight for your life.
Oh man. Are we doing this now?
Ready.
Fuck yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. Should ask for a countdown. Oh, he broke his ass.
You'll have that from time to time. You got to cover him for the 3.
He didn't cover him. Maybe it's just a KO.
Oh, you're not gonna pin him?
Oh, was I supposed to do that?
Straight knockout.
Yeah.
He just Undertaker'd your fucking leg drop, bro.
Oh, I just watched it back. Oh.
Put the mask on and play pinwheels for these guys.
Do it again.
Hurry up.
Should I do an elbow?
I don't care. Just put the
Do
mask on and play pinwheels. Hurry up.
All right.
I don't got all day.
All right. Hold on.
Yeah, you do. They want you to have the mask too.
Uh-oh. Lock up your daughters. It's Billy the Fridge, Ronald McFondle, and JT Rockwell. Over a martini beat? Shit. You know, y'all better call 911. Nah, fucking call 911, because we're about to fly a plane into this motherfucker.
Wrestling champion, your neighborhood stranger. Pretty please picture me a Mickey D's doppelganger. It's a ball pit banger, let your nuts hang. Happy Meal tours, double-sided for a butt bang.
Ass to ass.
Go on and ride a slut train, mustard on the upper lip next to a cum stain. It's a fun game, squeeze till the pig squeal, twist her, fist her, blow like a pinwheel.
When I think of your daughter, I shower in cold water. Spin her on my finger like a Harlem Globetrotter. Oh bother, I'm like poo in a honey pot. Do her where she poo, then I am with the money shot. Funny thought, she gon' spin like a pinwheel. Rolling with McFondle, yo, you know it's a big deal. Get real, nah baby, get the plunger. At the bloody starts at the Mickey D's dumpster. Get dumber, this'll be hella awkward. Put you on my fist, like a helicopter. Tell the doctor if you start to get dizzy. Just Just don't interrupt me when I start to get busy. She start to get pissy, I'ma call Ronnie Mac. She's a hypochondriac, toss her in a body bag. It's a party, man, do her like a line of coke. Pinwheel spinning them, sorry your vagina broke.
Elo's broken.
By God, that man's got a family.